Hey guys, Rob here from ServiceScaler. So last week I did a video on Microsoft Stream and how you can upload something into Microsoft Stream, particularly Teams recordings when you're recording a Teams meeting, and that it will automatically transcribe the meeting for you and turn those into closed captions. So you can have the closed captions come up on the video when you're rewatching it. Now, one of the things that we didn't go through was how you can upload things or meetings that you record from other platforms such as Zoom or some of the other recording platforms out there. There's plenty available, and upload those into Microsoft Stream so that you can download the captions from those recordings. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to walk you through the process of how you can get a recording. This is going to be from Zoom, but it could be from any platform, how to upload it into Microsoft Stream, how to get the captions turned on, or how you get the transcription to happen against that recording, and how we then go to download it, how it comes down. So there are some challenges with downloading some stuff from Microsoft Stream, but we'll walk through how we can overcome that, and you can put those together as part of a matter. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to share my screen. So we can see here that I'm already logged into Stream. If you need to learn how to log into Stream, you can go and have a look at my previous video, but basically you just go to office.com, you find Stream from all apps and you can fire it up from there, or straight to the URL web.microsoftstream.com. So we can see here that I'm already in the interface to upload a file, but if you need to get to that, you'll land on the home screen basically when you first log in. All I do is go create, upload video, and it gives me the option here. I can either drag files or I can browse to upload. So here's a recording, Zoom recording test that I did previously. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop that into the window. And we can see that that's queued for upload there. Now, one of the advantages to uploading things directly into Stream is that I don't need to select the video language. It comes up by default. So I can still name it, put a description on it. I can edit the permissions, so whether it's just seen by me or everyone in my company can see it, or whether I want to allocate it to certain groups of people. So if you have groups, you might be working on a matter with a couple of different legal resources and a couple of support staff. You may have a group set up for them. You can just share it with those people so that only they'll be able to see it, and it will exclude everybody else from there. Now, what I'm going to do is just hit publish, and that's going to publish it through so that that will be uploaded. So we can see up here up the top, upload completed, go to my videos. So I'm going to do that. The other way to go to it is just to go to my content and you'll be able to go to videos there. So what we can see here is I have my Zoom recording test. So if I hit the little thing to update the details of the video, so it'll take me through to the options for this. It gives me captions, so automatically generate or auto-generate captions. So that's been done. It also gives me the option to download the file. Now, when I go to download the file, that will automatically download there. It downloads as a VTT file, which is a video transcription file. Now, that's not inherently useful for anything other than being able to put against this video. The way that I've configured my machine is it allows me to open the file in Notepad, just so we can have a look at it. Except it's opening on my other window. Let's see if I can bring it back over here. Okay, we're back. So I'm hoping that what's going to happen here is that when I open this file, it might open on the correct window. So I just pulled my external monitor off. So when we download that file and we have a look at it in downloads, we can see that the file extension here is VTT, a VTT file. Now, by default, Windows doesn't know what type of file that is and can't open it. So what's going to happen when we go to open that application is it's going to say, hey, what do you want to use to open this file? Now, you might get Notepad as an option here, but most of the time it's going to say, look for an app in the Microsoft Store. What we want to do is select more apps. And if we scroll down here, we'll be able to see Notepad should exist in that list there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Notepad here and we'll select OK. And that's going to allow us to open our VTT file. Now you can see here in the web VTT file that the data, or the transcription data, is here, but it also comes with these timing markers that come from the video as well, and it shows us what the language is. Now, if we upload that into our practice management system or into our document management system as a VTT file, it's not going to be searchable. So we're not going to be able to search that. So if you were going to attach this to a matter, and it's something that you wanted to either share with the client or put as part of a brief, or it might be for many reasons that you might want to keep this information and make it searchable as part of an e-discovery piece, all you would need to do is File, Save As, and you would be able to save that file as a text document just by changing the extension here, TXT. I'll just drop it on my desktop. We can see Zoom recording.txt. And once you upload that TXT file into your document management system, your practice management system, all of that text should be indexed and give you the capability to search against the text that's contained within the file. Also, if you uploaded that back into SharePoint, for example, you'd be able to search for it there. Or as per my previous video, if you just leave the transcription against the video, you will actually be able to search for it through the Microsoft 365 search capability. So if you go to office.com and you want to search for something, it'll be full text index, so you'll be able to find stuff that's sitting in here as well. So I hope that was insightful and valuable to you, and I hope that you have the opportunity to use it and try it out. If you have any questions about it, of course, always welcome to reach out. Happy to help. And apart from that, enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers, guys.